Hey guys, it's Ashley with AMJ Graphics. Today I'll be doing a short video on how to download fonts into Inkscape. I'll be working in Windows 10 and every computer comes with default fonts already on them, but there are millions and millions of fonts that people have created that you're able to download for free. These are for personal use only, but some creators have an option where you can email them for a commercial use license and pay a small fee. So always check with the creator first. But today I'll be showing you how to download fonts for your personal use. Okay, so you can go to Google and type in download free fonts, and it'll bring up a bunch of websites that you can go to download those, but my personal favorite is defont.com, and that is where I go to download all my fonts. So let's get into that. Okay, so whenever you type in defont.com, this is the screen you'll see. Up at the top, you see that they have fonts separated into different categories from fancy to script. And then if you know a specific font name that you're looking for, you can type it on the search bar up there in the top right corner. So one of the most used fonts when crafting is called Magnolia Sky. So I'm going to search it and download it. Here it pops up, Magnolia Sky. It tells you, it shows you an example of the font, what it looks like. Above it, it says preview, and you can type in your text and submit it, and it'll show you what it will look like. So this is the font that I want, so I'm going to go to the right and hit download. You'll see it drop down here on the bottom left, and it's downloading. When it's done, it'll blink, so now I know it's done. I'm going to right click it, and I'm going to go up to show in folder. Shows me right there. You can see the zipper on that folder. That means that that file is zipped, that we're going to need to extract it before we're able to use this. So I'm going to double click it. You can see where it says extract up there. I'm going to click extract. You can see on the right it says extract all. It'll pop up and it'll say select a destination and extract files. It's telling me which folder it's going to go in. It says it's going to go in the downloads under Magnolia Sky. I can change that if I'd like, but I'm going to keep that and hit extract. So now it's there. Now we just need to install the font. And you're always going to go to the type, and underneath the type you're going to look at the file types. This is a PNG file. This is a true type font file. And this is a rich text document. You're always going to click on the true type font file. I'm going to double click it. This screen will pop up and you'll see the install on the top left. Click that. Okay, now after you've installed your font, a quick reminder is always make sure the program that you're installing it to is closed. So while you're installing it, make sure that program's closed. So Inkscape needs to be closed, and then once the file is installed, then open back up your Inkscape and it'll be in there. Okay, so I'm going to go over to the left hand side and click on the A, drag me a text box out, and type in the text that I want to make. I'm going to select it. I'm going to hit the Control-Shift key. Hold it down while I size it up. Okay, so I'm going to highlight the text by double clicking it. Go up to the top left, click the down arrow. You can search for the specific font you downloaded, or you can, since you know the name, you can just type it in. There's Magnolia Sky. Click it, and there it shows the font. Select it. Okay, as you can see, there are some type of fonts whenever you download them into Inkscape. It's like a glitch in their system, but you can see that it's cut off. and it'll drag sometimes and leave like marks, black little marks. Once you convert this into a path, object to path, object ungroup, path union, it makes it a whole text. So that is the downfall. Sometimes you get that with different fonts. Another thing, when downloading fonts, sometimes you'll install them, you've closed your Inkscape out, then you've reopened it and your font is still not there. The problem is I'll take you back to the folder. Here you can see the Magnolia Sky is the true type font file. If you right click that, it'll have a drop down menu and it says install for all users. You would click that, which I've already did that. So we'll just say we want to replace it, and it'll install that, and then just make sure whatever program you're working in that you've closed it and reopened it after you installed it. So it's as simple as that. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments below, or feel free to email me at amjtutorials@gmail.com. If you like this video, please let me know by pressing the like button, and if you liked it a lot, subscribe to see more of me. Thanks guys, happy creating!